In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Teams chat history. Whether you're transitioning to a new platform, archiving conversations for future reference, or simply need to keep a record, exporting your chat history from Microsoft Teams can be essential. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring you understand each step and why it matters. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams and sign in with your credentials. This should be the account associated with the chat history you wish to export. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific chat you want to preserve. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Ensuring you're in the right chat is crucial as Teams can have many conversations and channels. Next, look for the three-dot menu icon, also known as the More Options menu, which you can find in the upper right-hand corner of your chat window. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options. From this menu, locate and select the Open in SharePoint option. By doing so, you're directing your browser to access the chat's data storage location, leveraging SharePoint's capabilities for your exporting needs. Once in SharePoint, you'll need to find and select the Files tab. This section houses all documents and data shared within your chat. One important point to note is that SharePoint will display only those files that have been shared as attachments in your chat. For the actual text history, further action is required. The next step involves using Microsoft's eDiscovery tools. Access your Office 365 admin panel. You'll be looking for the Security Compliance Center. This step is vital because Microsoft's eDiscovery is designed to handle legal compliance and data extraction, making it your tool of choice for exporting chat history. Once in the Security Compliance area, find the Content Search option. This will allow you to create a new search. For the search criteria, you'll need specifics such as date range, participants' names, or keywords to target the exact chat content you're aiming to export. Precision here can save you a lot of time later on, so it's worth taking a moment to refine your search terms. After setting up your search parameters, hit the Start Search button. This action initiates the search process across Microsoft Teams, identifying messages that meet your criteria. Once the search is complete, you'll be allowed to export the results. It's worth mentioning that this process might take some time depending on how broad your search parameters are. After the export is finalized, you'll have a downloadable file containing your chat history. Depending on the settings, this may include metadata and timestamps, which can be crucial for record keeping. And there you go! By following these steps, you can successfully export your Microsoft Teams chat history. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or if you need further clarification.